Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Bernadette C. Umbalin from the Philippines, 32 years of age, married, and I have 2 kids. I have no work experience as a helper in working abroad, but here in the Philippines, I have 2 years experience working as a helper. My skills are cooking, cleaning, washing, and taking good care of newborn or a child. I am kind, honest, trustworthy, patient, well-mannered, and hardworking. I am willing to have a co-worker, but I definitely work alone. My preferred work is doesn't really matter what work will I do. Thank you, and please check my profile in Helper Library.